They have officially survived for 2 nights, so I am going to count this method as a success. This is so freaking cool. Like, I don't have to buy plants anymore. I'm gonna have so many freaking plants this year. So, since I'm doing videos for Urban Homesteads Compton now, I thought I'd do an unboxing of my. Oh gosh, it's so heavy. My produce order for the week. From Misfit Market or Imperfect Produce is who I order from. Forgive my ugly shoes, but I have to wear these like electrostatic resistant shoes in this house, otherwise like everything shocks me. And also my floor's probably messy because I live like I'm on a farm. So I'm kind of excited. Got a bunch of goodies in here this week. I try to do a produce order weekly, but sometimes I'm just like too poor and can't afford it. This Imperfect Produce has been a freaking lifesaver for me because I used to have a really hard time with just like ever having fresh produce, and I was eating like really unhealthy. Like, I found that I would buy stuff from the store like on the first of the month when I went to go like do all my shopping, and it would go bad really fast, and I wouldn't want to go like keep shopping again, wouldn't have the time, and so I was eating really unhealthy because I wasn't having fresh produce. So this has been a lifesaver, and it's all supposed to be like produce that like wasn't good enough to sell in the grocery store, but I don't know if that's really true. It's supposed to be all like surplus stuff, but I mean, it's always like perfect. It's not imperfect, it's perfect. So we got some purple sweet potatoes, and bread. I gotta make my zucchini sandwiches. There's a zucchini. I like to have those for breakfast. And oh gosh, I've never had one of these before, so this is like really super exciting. It's, I believe, a pomelo is what it's called. It's like related to grapefruit, but it's supposed to be like sweeter than grapefruit. I've never had one, so I love ordering like new stuff and trying it out. And this week I am going to be making that's a bunch of parsley. I eat a lot of parsley and cilantro. I'm going to be making like Navajo Tacos with fry bread style. So I got some hydroponic lettuce and some tomatoes, and peppers, and this like bag of mixed peppers, avocados, and the radishes and the parsley, and I have onions already. I like chop those up to do like a topping for the I like pickle them in apple cider vinegar and then chop those up to do a topping. Actually, I might film that doing the tacos. And then I got like tons of chickpeas because I actually have these dry, but sometimes I don't feel like soaking them. So I'm going to make some hummus because I've got carrots in the fridge. And do hummus and carrots. And then the green onions are for, I get like vegan yogurt, which is in here. And I chop up the onions and soak them in the vegan yogurt. I'm obsessed with arugula. Like, even though I'm growing arugula, I like needed more arugula. Um, but I chop up the onions, the green onions, and let them sit in here for a while, like, a couple hours, and then it makes like a really good, substitute for sour cream. And so also I got some vegan shredded cheese and Impossible Taco Peep. This is the star of the show because we're making tacos. So this would be really bomb. Maybe I'll just like continue this video and cook this. I think I'll probably do that. Yeah. Oh, and there's like a cucumber in there, I think, for like a cucumber sandwich or something. So that's like my food for the week. I do have other things like spices and different canned stuff that I add to things, and like nuts and stuff like that. But this is like my main food order that I get so that I know that I have plenty of healthy produce.